This video will guide you through connecting your Tesla Wall Connector Gen 3 to the Tesla mobile app. As of December 2025, this connection allows you to monitor charging, schedule charging times to optimize energy costs, and even potentially participate in vehicle-to-grid programs. This initial connection is crucial for maximizing the benefits of your home charging setup. The Tesla Wall Connector is your home charging station designed for efficient EV charging. Connecting it to the Tesla app gives you control and insights into your charging. Key benefits include monitoring charging metrics, scheduling for cost savings, and enabling advanced features like vehicle-to-grid. First, download the Tesla app from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Create a free Tesla account if you don't already have one. Ensure your app is updated to the latest version, V12 or later, for streamlined connectivity features. The app serves as your central hub for managing your Tesla vehicle and charging equipment. During the wall connector installation, locate the QR code or serial number on the device. In the Tesla app, navigate to Charging and select Add Wall Connector. Scan the QR code or manually enter the serial number. The app will then guide you through the initial pairing process, which might take 5 to 10 minutes. The app will prompt you to connect your wall connector to your home Wi-Fi network, supporting both 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz frequencies. Alternatively, you can use a hardwired Ethernet connection for a more stable connection. The app settings allow you to configure the Ethernet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for remote monitoring and control. With your wall connector now connected to the internet, the next step is to pair it with your Tesla vehicle through the app. This secure connection enables remote monitoring and control of your charging sessions. The Tesla app will guide you through the pairing process. You'll see prompts to confirm the connection and may need to enter a verification code or scan a QR code if prompted. Once paired, you'll see your vehicle's charging status in the app, including current charge level, time remaining, and power usage. You can start or stop charging remotely, adjust charge limits, and view detailed energy consumption data. The app provides full control over your charging experience, from setting schedules to monitoring in real time. After pairing is complete, your Tesla wall connector and vehicle are seamlessly integrated for optimal home charging. After successful pairing, the wall connector will appear in the Charging tab of your Tesla app. You can view real-time metrics such as power draw, energy used, and remaining charging time. Utilize the scheduling feature to charge during off-peak hours. This can save you 15% or more on energy costs. The app also integrates with some utility providers for energy cost tracking. If you encounter connectivity problems, try resetting the wall connector's network settings within the app. Ensure your home Wi-Fi network is stable and that there are no firewall restrictions blocking the connection. Check that there are no firewall restrictions blocking the connection. Tesla provides 24/7 support through the app if further assistance is needed. For rural areas with poor cellular coverage, Ethernet is the recommended connection method. Looking ahead, Tesla wall connectors are increasingly integrating with smart grids for efficient energy management and reduced grid strain. This smart integration allows the charger to communicate with utility providers and adjust charging based on grid conditions. Vehicle-to-grid, or V2G, capabilities are emerging, allowing your Tesla to feed power back to your home or the grid during outages. This bidirectional power flow enhances energy resilience and can provide backup power for essential appliances. AI-driven charging optimization is becoming standard, analyzing your driving habits and energy prices to dynamically schedule charging. This can reduce costs by 10 to 20% by charging during off-peak hours when electricity rates are lower. To take advantage of these emerging features, keep your Tesla app updated regularly. Updates often include new capabilities for smart charging and V2G, helping you contribute to a more sustainable energy ecosystem.